Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, welcome back to another video, guys, where today I am going to be playing this game called Ragdoll Shotgun. You're supposed to blow other people up off the map. This one is, you're trying to stay in charge of the hill the longest. Like, you have to be in the hill for a long time. These maps are always hard. Last time I played one, there was like a car map, and this was, whoa, I'm flipping. I am flipping all over. I'm flipping like crazy. Ooh. So you're supposed to be ragdolling all of the time. Actually, you can't unragdoll. I want to get at least bronze, guys. Please? Please? Yes! See that? That's me. I'm bronze. Yep. Shaking my tush. Woo! Oh, Great. Whoa! Yes! Perfect. Oh my goodness, guys. I somehow experienced that to be more rewarding. I somehow imagined that experience to be more rewarding. Oh, wait, you have your shotguns. Yeah! Boom! Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Deathmatch. Deathmatch. Awesome! Deathmatch. Okay, this is pretty cool. Die, people. Whoa. Okay, that was, crazy. If I keep this up... Yes! Woohoo! Let's wait till it records. Guys, I am in first place. I have never been in first place before. Oh yeah, they're watching Pokemon Indigo League in the background. Okay. Kill them! Kill them! Kill them! Kill them all! Kill them all! Kill them all! Kill them all! Whoa, what? Well, hold on, wait. Hold on. Okay, guys, I am back. I am still the king with 10 KOs. Let's make that 11 soon. Maybe 12, maybe 13. Woohoo! I love this game! Oh snap! Oh no! Oh dear! Ah! Ah! Woo! I got first place. Okay, this is fun. Woohoo! Whoa! Okay. Okay, I'm finally back. Stronghold! I deserve first place! Oh no. No, no, no. Oh yes! Yes! I was like the only person who voted. I'm the king. Let's hope no one gets my idea of go to the hill very first. Boom! Die, 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 die! No! No! Dang it. Boom! Boom! I must be the king! No! Let me be the king! Die, 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 sir! Die, 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 die! This is hard to control. Die, 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 die! Yeah! Boom, boom, boom. Whoopsies. What's going on? Oh dear. What is wrong with this? Yeah! Hold on, wait. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'll see you. I am back! Okay, let's see what maps are here. I want Stronghold. Come on, guys, vote Stronghold. Stronghold. Incinerator Planet. Huh. Ah! Come on. No, 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 no! Shoot everyone you can. Shoot everyone. Shoot everyone. I love this map. Sorry, guys. I killed several people. That's unfair. Come on. Okay, what? Yeah, that's me right there. Oh dear. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! What did I get? Obtained Classic 17. Okay, guys, sorry that I couldn't do longer, but I honestly can't. Oh no, oh dear, oh dear. Hold on. Dude, blow up! Blow up! Yeah! Nick Gems 54. How did I do that?